I'm Cynthia Miller, Realtor and Luxury Specialist with Berkshire Hathaway. Welcome to 3387 Bennett Drive. This lovely, newly updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home is located in the trendy Cahuenga Pass area of the Hollywood Hills. Today I'd like to share with you our after video of this traditional home. In our previous video, I showed which home improvements I specifically recommended to get this traditional home market ready. All of my suggestions were designed to add value and appeal to prospective buyers and bring the highest return on the investment. Curb appeal. The privacy hedge has been trimmed, some overgrown plants have been removed, and the front yard has been planted with new sod, creating a lush grassy area perfect for kids and pets. We weren't able to add the front gate as I had suggested, but we were able to add an item to the backyard that will make it more usable, more attractive, and add value. The front door. In the interest of staying within budget, instead of changing the front door, we decided to paint it, and I think it looks great. The garage. You may remember there was a storage room here with the AC, and there was a return and vents, making it impossible to fit a mid-size car. The storage room is now gone. AC, return, and vents have been relocated, and now we can fit a mid-size car. Let's take a look inside. We have a spacious and desirable open floor plan, hardwood floors throughout, and a sleek black porcelain statement fireplace. Previously, the fireplace was a dated-looking red and gray marble. We've installed additional recessed lights, repainted the entire interior of the house, and added new modern light fixtures in every room. As I mentioned, if the budget allows for only one bathroom remodel, it should be the primary bathroom. This stunning bathroom features a large walk-in shower with chic porcelain walls and a white double vanity with dual sinks and a quartz countertop. We turned this private and cozy backyard into an inviting living area, great for entertaining and dining in the newly built gazebo. I'm Cynthia Miller, Realtor and Luxury Specialist with Berkshire Hathaway. Your real estate needs are my priority, and if you're thinking of buying or selling, I'm here to help.